Have you ever signed up for a service, full of excitement and big plans, only to realize a little later that it just isn't the right fit? Maybe your business idea pivoted, or your budget shifted, or perhaps you found an even better solution. If that's you, and you've been wondering, can I cancel Tailor Brands? Then you've landed in the perfect spot. We've all been there. You dive into building your dream business, and Tailor Brands, with its promise of effortless branding, seems like the ideal partner. It's fantastic for creating logos, designing websites, and even registering your business. But what happens when the entrepreneurial journey takes an unexpected turn, and you need to hit the brakes? The short answer is yes, you can cancel Tailor Brands. But like most things in the digital world, it's not always as simple as a single click. There are nuances, different scenarios, and crucial steps to consider to ensure a smooth departure and avoid any unwanted charges. Today, we're going to dive deep into everything you need to know about canceling your Tailor Brands subscription. We'll cover the different types of subscriptions, how to navigate the cancellation process, what to expect regarding refunds, and even some important considerations to keep in mind before you say goodbye. So, buckle up, because by the end of this video, you'll be fully equipped to make an informed decision about your Tailor Brands account. First things first, let's understand the different types of subscriptions Tailor Brands offers. They typically have a few tiers, often including a light, standard, and premium plan, or similar variations. Each plan comes with different features and, crucially, different billing cycles, monthly, annually, or sometimes even multi-year plans. Why is this important? Because your specific plan will directly impact the cancellation process and any potential refunds. Monthly subscriptions are generally easier to cancel without much fuss beyond the current billing period. Annual or multi-year plans, however, often come with a commitment, and canceling midterm might have different implications regarding prorated refunds or, in some cases, no refund for the unused portion of the service. So, how do you actually go about canceling? The primary method is usually through your Tailor Brands account dashboard. Once logged in, you'll typically navigate to your account settings, subscription, or billing section. Look for an option that says Manage Subscription, Cancel Plan, or something similar. Tailor Brands, like most reputable subscription services, aims to make this process relatively straightforward, but it might not always be immediately obvious. If you're struggling to find it, don't hesitate to check their official support documentation or use their Help Center's search function. They often have step-by-step guides specifically for cancellation. Now, here's a crucial point. Simply deleting your logo or website does not cancel your subscription. Your billing will continue unless you formally cancel through the designated process. This is a common pitfall people fall into, leading to unexpected charges. Always remember to go through the official cancellation steps to ensure your subscription is properly terminated. What about refunds? This is often the trickiest part. Tailor Brands' refund policy, like many software-as-a-service, SaaS companies, can vary. Generally, if you cancel a monthly subscription, you won't be refunded for the current month you've already paid for, but your subscription won't renew for the following month. For annual or multi-year plans, it gets a bit more complex. Some companies offer a grace period, perhaps a 14 or 30-day money-back guarantee, from the initial purchase date. If you cancel within this window, you might be eligible for a full refund. However, if you cancel after this grace period, especially for an annual plan, it's less likely you'll receive a prorated refund for the unused portion of your subscription. Tailor Brands' specific terms of service will have the definitive answer on their refund policy. It's highly recommended to review these terms before you commit to a long-term plan or before initiating a cancellation if you're hoping for a refund. You can usually find a link to their terms of service or refund policy in the footer of their website. Beyond the technical steps, there are some important considerations before you pull the plug. First, what exactly are you canceling? Is it just your logo design service? Or does it include your website hosting, domain registration, or business formation services? If you've registered a domain through Tailor Brands, canceling your subscription might affect its renewal or management. You might need to transfer your domain to another registrar to ensure you don't lose it. The same goes for any website content you've created. Make sure to download or back up any essential files, images, or text before your access is revoked. Tailor Brands provides tools for building your brand, and if you're leaving, you'll want to ensure you retain ownership and access to all the assets you've created. Another thing to consider is the why behind your cancellation. Are you canceling because you're unhappy with the service? Or because your business needs have simply evolved beyond what Tailor Brands offers? If it's the former, and you've encountered issues or frustrations, consider reaching out to their customer support before canceling. Sometimes, a quick chat can resolve problems and make the service work for you. If it's the latter, and you're moving to a more advanced or specialized platform, ensure you have a seamless transition plan in place for all your branding and digital assets. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.